Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Updating someone's contact information in Outlook is a simple task that keeps your address book accurate and current. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Outlook application on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the bottom left side of the Outlook window. You will find an icon labeled a People, which might also appear as Contacts. Click on this People icon to access your complete list of contacts. Now that you're in your contact list, locate the specific individual whose details require updating. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find their name. Once you've found the correct contact, double-click on their entry. This action will open their full contact card, which displays all the stored information for that person. Within the contact card, look for an Edit button. It often appears as Edit Contact or is represented by a small pencil icon. Click this button to activate the editing mode. With editing enabled, you can now make all your necessary changes. You can update their primary phone number, correct an email address, modify their home or work address, or add new details like a job title or company name. After you have made all the desired modifications to their information, it's essential to save your work. Find and click the Save and Close button, typically located at the top of the contact card window. Clicking this button will permanently store all your updates. The contact's information in your Outlook will now reflect these new details, ensuring you always have the most accurate way to reach them.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.